my name is Ben and I currently work with Trimble in France. Today I want to show you how to use a TDC 150, which is this device, with the application Trimble Penmap for Android. I made this video in three parts. First one, I will introduce Penmap Project Manager. The second part, I will introduce Penmap for Android. And then the third part, I will show you how to export the data on Penmap Project Manager and how to export it on QGIS. Let's start. Go on Trimble Installation Manager website and then install this application. Please select Online, then Install. So you see you are on Trimble Installation Manager. This application allows you to install all the Trimble application. Select All and then select Install. So here you have to enter your email address and your password and you connect. And it should be almost done. You have to create a profile name and the description of your profile name. And here you can create a project. So here is a non-project and I will take measurement on the parking. We want to import the CSV file. For that we need to know what is the structure of the file. So here I choose idea, east coordinate, north coordinate, altitude, and then it's like idea, but it doesn't mind. For me I use 0 by default. Then you browse the file, coordinate, open, and then you have to choose the CSV format. So for me is the one I told you. So east, north, altitude, and idea. So yes, and it's done. So now I'm gonna introduce Penmap for Android. First of all, you have to download the application on Play Store. So as you can see, you can just tap Penmap and you install. It should take around 2 seconds. Then you open the application. You have to allow to share your location and to share your picture, to take picture on site. Then you enter your email and your password, and here you have the project you created on Penmap Project Manager. So you can download it first. And then it opens, and you can see we have the point we add on the CSV file. So the first step is to create a first feature. So the one I first choose is a bush. So you have to select your feature on the top right. So for now I create a palm tree. So you have to click where you want to create it on the map. But if you want, you can also use your GPS to take a point, to take a measurement on site and create the same feature. So okay, so the feature name is bush. So you can enter like different parameters like the size, the color, if this bush is healthy or whatever you want, in fact, to have this on your attribute on GIS software. For example, in our case, we will use an open source GIS, which is QGIS. Yeah. Then I want to create a building. So building must have like a polygon layer. So my shape is very difficult because it's not like rectangle, there is some curve. So I start to create a line. So you can see on the top right corner it's a line, and then you can switch on the left side of building, you can switch on curve. You cannot see it's a curve when you draw, but then when you close the shape, it will be a curve, you will see. So you select all the corners of your building, but if you use GNSS or GPS, like it's the same on site. And here you close. So the same as Pine Tree, you can enter the different parameter of your building. If the building is LC, or the name of the building, or the address, or whatever. So here I enter Trimble Nantes because it's our office in Nantes. So I enter all these parameters. So after that, I can show you on QGIS where you can see the attribute of each layer. So here, yes, here you can see you have the curve, and the building looks exactly the shape of the building in real. So you can create the project, and then I will show you how to export this project on a software like QGIS. So you have to open on Penmap Project Manager. So you will see the project. You have to upload first. So okay, I upload. So you click on the image, and then you can upload on Penmap Project Manager. So it will send the file on the cloud, and then you can get this file from Penmap Project Manager application on your Windows device. Perfect. So it takes few minutes to upload. It depends on the size of the file. So now you see at the bottom you have nothing. So it means the file is shared on the cloud. Now we are ready to export the data on Penmap project. So open Penmap project, or maybe it's still open. Here I connect on Penmap Project Manager. As you can see, he uploads the project from the cloud, so the guy on site does not have to send the file by Google Drive or whatever. He can directly get from the cloud. Go on my computer, I open QGIS, I create my project, and then I can export the data from the cloud, from the file I downloaded from the cloud. And here you can see the shape I created just before with Penmap application. So I get like the shape, pine tree and building, and then as you can see you have like the different attributes I create for each layer. Here's the bush, and yeah. So I think that's it. I think with this tutorial you can try, and you can give a comment if you have more questions, or if you want additional information, or even if you want additional video. So see you soon, I hope, and have a good day.